Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. Today we're going to tackle lesson number 4 in our Brushwork series, which is practicing a pattern of oblique brush forms. We're using the book Brushwork, Elementary Brush Forms by Marion Hudson. If you missed our first few lessons, I'll put a link to them below, along with brush and paint suggestions if you'd like some help choosing them. Now, especially if you're a homeschooling family, you'll want to check out the description as well for a link to the biggest list of homeschool handicrafts on the internet. Pause this video for a moment while you get that, and then let's get started. When you're ready, place a small pea-sized amount of paint onto your saucer and mix it with a small amount of water. Fill the brush with color and begin to lay it onto the grid, similar to the pattern in lesson number 4 in the book. Now, if you have the 1-inch grid paper like I do, the pattern in the book is not going to work well, but don't worry, I made a similar version. It's not exact, but it works. I'll put it in the blog post so you can get a better look at it if you want. I also used a slightly larger brush this time to fit the 1-inch grid. Instead of this size 6 round that I was using in the previous videos, I'm using a size 8 round, and I think I like it a lot better. Now, I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but just a quick little tip that we're learning along the way is that when doing these practices, it's helpful to start at the bottom of the page and work up. This way, your little finger isn't going to smudge the brush forms already made. To finish up, don't forget to clean your paintbrush. Swish it well in a clean glass of water, adding soap if needed. Be sure to remove all paint, ensuring no color appears on the napkin. Once it's washed, reshape the bristle with your fingers and store it lying flat on a napkin to dry after use. And that's it for our 4th lesson in brushwork. Thank you so much for taking the time to craft with me, and I hope to see you in our next video.